Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Google Chrome. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Over here, I am here in Google Chrome. Now, on the top you will find these three dots. Click on it and then go to Settings. Over here you can see I am here in Settings. Now on the left you will find many options over here. Go to this Appearance over here and click on it. After clicking on Appearance, you will reach over here. You can see here is one option of mode and here is device. Now to turn on dark mode, click on this drop down and over here you will find this dark. Click on it. So you can see our dark mode is activated on Google Chrome. So in this way we can activate dark mode on Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.